Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Impressa C9. This machine was brought in because it couldn't prime for some reason. You needed to, basically the machine needs to pump water like into itself and throughout the system. And if it can't do that, it will read some sort of error saying to press rinse or fill circuit or something of the sort. And if it can't do so, then the machine's kind of unusable at that point. So what we had found is that solenoid valve over here, the one that leads to the steam wand, was actually not functioning, needed replacement. And so water couldn't exit here and it couldn't purge air from the water lines. And so couldn't properly fill the circuit. But we replaced it and now water flows out the steam wand as well as the air that needs to be purged. So here it is, functioning once again. And we'll pull shot. Looking good. Put some hot water here in just a second. Alright. Looking great. Alright, there it is. Jura Impressa C9 functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos.